How to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hey everyone, let's get started. Google Chrome may not open due to various reasons such as bug or server issue. Let us now see some of the solutions that can help to solve this issue. The first one is you have to right-click on your Start button and then you have to go on Task Manager. Once that is done, under Apps and Background Processes, you have to search for Google app and then you have to stop it. Once that is done, you have to open it again. For that, what you can do is, you have to right-click on the Google Chrome icon and then go on its file location. For that, tap on Open File Location. Once that is done, you will see the Chrome app here. So you can directly open the Chrome app from here, or what you can do is, right-click on it and rename the Chrome into Chrome 1. Doing so, you can open it easily. And just by that, you have fixed your Google Chrome not opening or Windows 10 or 11. So that's all for today. For more such content, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.